Home sweet home, the property registration process. At Snyman De Jager, we are well aware that the purchasing of a property is the biggest single financial decision that you have to make in your life. And that is why it's important for us to assist you in that process. It's also a very exciting time to purchase a new property, and we'll hold your hand right through the process. The South African property registration process is a very, very good system. It's been developed over a very long time, and the Deeds Registries Act 47 of 1937 regulates this whole process. We are conveyancers, specialist attorneys in dealing with property registration matters, including transfers, but also various other actions that may be needed in the deeds office. There may be in a transfer process 3 different attorneys involved: the transferring attorney, the bond cancellation attorney, and then the bond attorney. When we attend to the property registration process, we will finalize this process by liaising with all parties involved and handling the process as quick as possible. We see the role of the transferring attorney as a project manager, a financial manager, and we're also managing the legal consequences of the transaction. Any property transfer must have a causa or a reason why this must happen. It may be a donation, it may be an estate matter, it may be a divorce, but most commonly it results from a deed of sale. And that is where we come in. Before you sign any deed of sale, please contact one of our conveyancers to assist you and to work with you through that contract to make sure that you record everything in this transaction duly and diligently. This deed of sale is the basis of this transaction and will have to be followed and executed by us. The Alienation of Lands Act 68 of 1991 requires that any deed of sale must be in writing and signed by both parties. So please come around that we help you and assist you in that process. It's important also to consider the suspensive conditions in such a contract, being the obtaining of a bond or the sale of an existing property. Suspense, please keep in mind that this condition suspends the working of the contract and must be considered carefully. The transfer process takes roughly 6 to 8 weeks after approval of the bond. It may be quicker, but as we know, we are also involved with government institutions, state departments and local municipalities, and that may delay the process a bit. We are there to manage this process. There are certain documents that we do gather in this process. We are attending to all the FICA requirements, then also to the clearance, to obtain clearance certificates from the local council, to act on behalf of SARS to collect the transfer duty and pay that over. We are making sure that guarantees are delivered to cover all existing bonds and other requirements. There may be delays in the process, but that is why we are here to manage your process. There may be interdicts, lost deeds, any of those, and that is why you need an experienced conveyancer to assist you in the process. We at Snyman De Jager confirm that we have the experience, knowledge, and willpower to make your transaction work. What can you expect from us? Regular reports, accurate finalization of your transaction, a positive and friendly approach. We have a problem-solving attitude. We are open on Saturdays and even from 7 in the morning, and a team approach. We are awaiting your call.